Hello everyone. In this video, I'll be telling you how to create MCQ based Google form in a font which is not supported by Google, or it is very difficult to write questions in that particular subject. For example, maths, because in maths you have to use formulas, science, the same you have to do in chemistry and physics too, to some extent. Now suppose you want to create MCQ based question in Tamil, Malayalam, Gujarati. It is very difficult for you to type, or in Sanskrit or Hindi. So what you will do, that I will be telling you, and the steps are very simple. You can easily create MCQ based questions by using this method. So first of all, you have to open your start button over here, and you will find one snipping tool over here. You can see the snipping tool, the scissor is made over there, scissors. If it is not present over here, click on all programs, go to accessories. Let me again show you. All program, accessories, and then snipping tool. You will find it over here. Snipping tools. Just click over here. Now this snipping tool, it is used to cut. So you can find the snipping tool over here. When you will minimize, it will be minimized in your taskbar over here. You can see snipping tool. Click on it. Now if you want to create Google form in Hindi or Sanskrit or maths, just open that particular Google form. Like this is the Google form that I have opened. Okay, this is the Google form. In the Google form, here you have to write the title of the form. Suppose this is Hindi or Sanskrit, whatever is the language, you can write that. Suppose it is computer. Here you can write the instructions. Question numbers 5, 8, 10 out of 2 marks or 3 marks, you have to mention over here, so that student can know which question is of how many marks. And then you can write the questions. If you want to add more questions, click on this plus button. Now suppose you want to write in Hindi. So what you will do, because I have written everything in English, so for that click on this word and type over here. Suppose I have typed in Hindi. Now click on this snipping tool over here. Suppose it is not present with you, you can click on start, go to all program, and again accessories, and go to snipping tool. Snipping tool, click on new, and then you can see this is cut it. So an image will come over here. Save it. You can save it with any name. Suppose I have saved it with H1, Hindi one, H1 in desktop. So this is the image that I have saved. Same way you can save more images, like I want to save one more image. Suppose this is the maths question that I want to cut. Click on the snipping tool. And then just cut the question. So image will become over here. So save this image. You can save it with any name, M1 maths. Again you want to cut one more question. Suppose this is the question that I want. Again click on new, and then just drag and cut. Just select the portion that you want to cut. You have to just select the portion that you want to cut in. You can see over here maths 2, save it. Okay, or you want to make in Malayalam or Tamil question. Again for that procedure is same. Click on new, and then just crop it. Select the select, you have to select the portion that you want to cut or crop. So this way, Malayalam 1 or Kannada, Tamil. You want to create one more. Let's create one more Hindi question. Choose the option new, and suppose this is the question that you want to cut. Select it, save it, H2. Now this image has been saved in my desktop. Now come to Google Form. Click on this plus button if you want to add more. So I have clicked on the plus button. When you click on plus button, you will find a new blank form. Blank question. If you want to remove it, you choose the option delete. It will be removed. Delete, removed. So I want to add a question over here. Click on plus, new question. Just write. Choose the correct option. You have to choose the correct option. Suppose this is question number 11. Choose the correct option, and then you have to mention the marks. 1 mark. If it is 2 marks, you can write 2 marks. Click on this image. If you want to insert image, you have to click over here. Don't click over here. Just click in this. You can see this small icon you will find over here. When you will keep the mouse over here, then you will find it. Here you can't see it, but when you will keep the mouse over here, you will find this. So click over here, go to browse, click on browse, and then select the file. Now select the file that you want to add. Suppose I want to add a Hindi question. This was the image that I had saved, H1. So you can see the image will come over here, and then you can give the option. Either it is answer is A or B or C or D, whichever is the correct answer. You can select that particular answer also, and then if the answer is C, choose the option answer, and then the correct answer is C. This won't be visible to the student. If you want, you can mention marks over here. If you want, you can leave it also. No need to mention marks over here because you have already mentioned marks over here. So this way you can choose the option done. If you want to add more, you can click on plus. Question number 12. Choose the correct. Okay, it's in capital letter. Choose the correct option. If it is of 2 marks, 2 marks. If it is of 3 marks, you can write 3 marks. And then again same option, just click over here. You will find the icon of an image, to insert the image. Click on browse, and then select the question, maths. So whichever option is correct, A, B, C or D, you can give the mention over here the options. Either it is A or B or it is C, or the correct answer is D. You have to select one of the following, and answer key, you can specify the answer. The answer is, suppose the correct answer is C, you can write C. Marks, no need to mention the marks over here. If you want, you can mention the marks also. So when student will select C, he will get 3 marks. So once this is done, click on done. So this way you can insert, or you can create quiz in multiple language also. Again, let me tell you once again. Click on done, choose the option plus to add one more question. Question number 14, choose the correct option, 1 mark. Again click on this plus, click on this image icon, click over here, just click it and then go to browse to select the image that you want to insert over there. And let me insert one more question of Hindi. So you can see the image over here, it will appear, and then you can specify. So if you want that student should type, you can give the option short answer. Now the student can type over here, the answer is A, B, C or D. If it's long answer, you can write paragraph. For MCQ, you can use radio buttons or drop down arrow. You can also use short answer. If it is in one word, you can use this short answer. So they can write A, B, C, D over here. You can use drop down also. Drop down menu will appear, and then you can write the option, either it is A or B or C or D. You don't want option 5. If you want multiple option, you can write over here, and then the answer key, whichever is the correct answer. Suppose the C is the correct answer, then choose the option done. Now you can see this in the preview also. Come over here, you should write the instruction in the beginning. So let's see the preview. This is for the preview. Just click on this preview button, and then you can see over here the questions of maths, and the student will solve, and then depending upon whatever result he is getting, he will select a particular answer. If you will mention marks will come over here. If you don't want to mention marks, you can leave it. You can mention marks over here, 3 marks. This question is of 3 marks or 2 marks. So math question they will first solve, and then they will select the correct option. Same thing for Hindi. So this is drop down arrow. When you will click this drop down arrow, this option will come, and from this student can select any one option. It is A or C. This is one word. Here student can type. They can type also. MCQ based question in Hindi, A, B, C, D. They have to select whether it is A, B, C or D. Only one can be selected. Clear selection, C. Multiple choice question, programming language. So this is how they are going to give answer. The student are going to give answer, and the teacher are going to prepare the question paper, especially in Hindi and maths. So you can insert the question as an image, and to insert question as an image, you can use the snipping tool. So just take the snipping tool and cut the question. Automatically it will create an image. So I want to cut this question, just drag it and cut it. So image, this is one image. So you can save this image. You can save this image in a particular drive or at a particular folder, and then you can paste it in your Google form. So this is how you are going to create questions, especially in maths or any other language which is not supported by Google form. So thank you for watching this video.